So hey, Amy here. I decided to do the ThredUp Gossip Girl curated box. Supposedly it is curated by the wardrobe costume designer, whatever, for the Gossip Girl reboot. And there were like 3 different choices. There was like one that was supposed to be uptown, one that was supposed to be like midtown, another one that was supposed to be Brooklyn. I'm old school Gossip Girl, so I was basically calling them the Blair, the Serena, and the Jenny, aka the dead raccoon, because it looked like she had a dead raccoon in her hair the last few seasons she was there. Okay, so basically there's like 10 items in here. Boom! And there's like a description of like what the retail price is and what the price you're gonna pay. So it's like a $10 deposit, and then they put that $10 towards whatever you're gonna get. Oh, that fell. I don't know how I'm going to do this video, but we'll figure it out. So this is really cute to start with. Got this jacket. It's still new with the tags on it. Kind of like this. Might keep it. I can never have enough jackets. This goes through here. Yep, it kind of belts, it zips. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what it goes with. We'll see what it goes with. And we got this top here. Don't know about it. Don't know about it. We'll see. Got this other blouse, which I guess I could go try on. Just have to change off camera. Can't be letting you watch all my changing. Let's check that out. We got this cute dress. I'm a little confused about these. It says it's a 10 petite. I'm not a petite girl. I'm very tall. Then we have a Madewell t-shirt. It's t-shirt. I can get a t-shirt for like $5 at Target. But these are all like upcycled, recycled clothes. Some of them still have the brand new tags on them though. We've got this little kimono. Let's see here. Kind of like this. It's very kind of witchy for Halloween. We'll see. Maybe we'll put it with one of these outfits. Throw an outfit together. There's another sweater. Here's another sweater. This will probably send it back. I just have way too many sweaters. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I kind of like it. I don't know. Then we've got a pair of jeggings, which I guess these I could actually even try on. Let's see, these are ink skinny leg. Oh, look at that. Guess what? I actually can try them on because you can't see me changing. Unless there's a mirror behind me. Then you might see my butt. Oh no. So these are supposed to be some jeggings, apparently. Let's see. Denim Jeggings. Let's see. There we go. Maybe we'll pair it with one of these shirts. Go over here. So yeah, that is, they're all like recycled clothes and stuff. I don't know, we'll try this on. It seems like it's a little big. Oh, it actually doesn't seem big. There we go. There we go. Ooh. And we like throw it with this sweater. So we got curated outfits here. There we go. Still, it's a nice t-shirt, but you know, I'm not paying $17 for it when I got a red one in my closet for $5 from Target. Okay. Oh, we have this. We have these Michael Kors pink jeans. We'll try those on. See, I can change here because you can't see from the waist down. The glorious beauty of landscape shooting. And even if you do, it's no more than you see at the beach. You probably wouldn't be the first person to see me in my underwear. There is that. Okay, these are a little tight. Good. These feel more like the jeggings than the jeans. These are Michael Kors jeans. And then there is a Sanctuary button-down shirt. Let's try that on. It's a little wrinkled. Let's try that on. Oh, I could go with an all pink outfit. I'm really not feeling those jeans though. There we go. All pink. Ooh. I do like the jacket. I might keep the jacket. Don't think I'm gonna keep this shirt. Not a fan of it. Not really a fan of the shirt. No. Or the jeggings. Not a fan, but the good news is I can put everything I don't want in this box and just mail it back. So that's really cool there. I don't know, let's try on the dress. So what really intrigued, and look, like I said, tag's still on it. So we'll see, maybe I'll keep that. I don't know, let's try on this dress. We'll see, I don't know. I was really intrigued though because it was Gossip Girl and I'm like obsessed with everything. So there is that. I don't know. We're changing. Whee! I still don't even know all the other characters. Like, I know their names, but like two of the guys look like similar and shit. So I'm like, whoever did, I mean, I know who did the casting, but you know, I'm like, what the heck? Okay, this dress is confusing. Give it up for a confusing dress. Okay, I also don't like dresses that zip in the back. Why? Because I live alone. Okay, this dress is cute, but I don't think it's me. I really don't. So, I don't know. Throw the black sweater on over it. Now I'm starting to warm to this black sweater. It like seems to like go with everything. And it's not your typical black cardigan. There we go. There we go. So anyway, that's the ThredUp box. I'm gonna try to put together some more combinations here, see what I like, see what I don't like, ship it back. And yeah, but I'm probably gonna keep the pink jacket.